Let's say about feelings, but we have to come back anyways to our own people. This is our native place. This is Jubil's native place. He grew up here. He did his studies here. His earlier music life had started here. So he had to come back to his. I can't say he had to come back, but even after his life, he has to be with his own people. So they will be showering blessings, love, and prayers for him. So we are here with our own people.
And from the family, you have now got the honor peace campaign as well. What does the family feel in terms of the circumstances under which this incident had taken place in Singapore? Do you have any specific person in mind you doubt to have played any part?
Incidents. Everyone is under suspicion, and we have lodged a complaint already. You have said we have lodged a FIR. So the investigation process is on. We have the full belief in our legal system. So I think it will go in a proper way. We have requested for the fast track investigation also. So we have to know what had exactly happened on that day. And that was actually, you can say, that was a case of sheer negligence. Zubin was not properly taken care of.
But your manager, Siddharth Sharma,
yes, everyone.
He has worked for a long time.
Yes, very long time.
Did you ever feel that he would be negligent towards Zubin Garg?
That's what I said. Everyone was negligent. Everyone had neglected Zubin Garg. Zubin Garg is not anyone's, he is not just a simple person. He was a legend. He was, whatever we thought about him, he was much, much bigger than that. So he can't be treated like that. The organizers, our managers, the people in the team, the members of Assam Association, everyone, we suspect everyone.
Also, before he left, did he tell you that was he willing to go? Because we hear a lot of reports about he was not very willing to go because he had got the movie project up done.
Yes, he was very much busy with his dream project Roro Binale, and that's a musical project, so he was very much involved with that. But he thought everyone as his family, as his good friend. So he went there. He always wanted to support Shantanu Mohanto for his venture, Northeast Festival. So this time also he went for 3-4 days to help him, to be with him, to support him. But in return, he didn't get what he had to get actually.
One last thing, how you plan now from the family to take forward his work, the unfinished dreams? Yeah,
his legacy. We'll try our best now. We are still, in this state. Let the rituals get over, and then we have to plan accordingly. We have to plan in a proper way. That I can't do myself alone. Everyone has to help me. Everyone has to be in cooperation with me. Thank you so much.